A young woman found a lost baby barn owl that had wandered into her garden. It looked terrified until she gently brought it inside her home.
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason